Oi, what we have here stirred up is we're gonna make homemade nachos, Mexican style. What we got right now inside the pan that you guys can't see what's in the food, we got fresh diced onions, my mom's cutting up some tomatoes, and then obviously we got the ground beef in there, because that's what you use to make nachos. And right now, to top nachos with some ground beef, but not just any ground beef. You want ground beef that has, you know, the goods, not plain ground beef and cheese. Some people like to have ground beef, some people like to have beans, frijoles, and some people just like cheese. But right here in our House of Rocio, we actually like to top off our nachos with ground beef. And with vegetables, there you go. With vegetables, we got onions, as you can see here. Check it out. And she just topped in the tomatoes. And right now she's topping off some cabbage. That's going to be used for after this is already cooked.
No, I'm going to mix it in. We're going to mix it in with the...
So I was unaware of that. Sorry to prepare. But we're going to have to cut.
No, ¿por qué? Así déjale, mira, está muy bueno. Va a estar muy bueno esto.
Okay, well anyways, as y'all can see, in order to cook your beef, you gotta know exactly how to cook it. And right now we got a little pink color going on. That's because it's already been in here. But while before it was in here, it was fully pink. But now, as you can see, the way I'm preparing it is we got it on the medium level. You want it to be on the medium, no higher than medium, because then it'll burn through the outside and it won't cook fully on the inside. It'll stay like this on the inside and this on the outside. You don't want that. You want all of it to be nice and brown and cooked, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Have you ever put in a hot dog with the bun inside the microwave? The hot dog doesn't cook. And that is disgusting because we're like inches within the food. And I just caught that. We're like inches, like centimeters away from the food. And we would have been like shut down. We would have been shut down in like 2 seconds. Or anybody would have ever seen that. We're going to have to cut. Sorry. So you're gonna, obviously I showed you the bowl.
Now you can mix it all up.
My mom just tossed in everything at once because, you know, what we want to do is I want to make sure I showed you the setup. It's already cooking. The beef is already like more than half cooked. So now we're going to start mixing the whole bowl. The whole bowl. Look.
No es un bowl, es una cacerola.
Una cacerola.
It's a pot. No.
According to Rocio, it's a casserola, but I think it's a pot. So, look at that. Look at that, beautiful. So, the ground beef was not fully cooked yet, but we still went ahead and started mixing it up because you still want to, with ganas, you want the onions to come out nice and like grilled. You want the tomatoes to come out nice and like, you know, cooked a little bit, not so much. So right now we got ground beef in there, we got sliced up diced onions, diced tomatoes, and it looks like she has some cabbage over there. I don't know what she's going to do with that cabbage, but there you go. So that's how we do it in our household from rancho. And rancho, you don't cook one thing at a time, you do it all at once. You only got fire once, you don't got no burners. You only got like one set of fire for the day. And that's to cook your meal.
Y esto va a ser para los nachos. Está bien rico. Está bien rico.
So as you can see, the ingredient is more in the attitude versus what you actually do with the food.
No, pero...
Nah, I just can't. Well, actually...
We're doing it with flavor.
Yeah, well, now it looks like it's more veggies than it is ground beef. So I think I just ruined my appetite. Because
No. We don't want to eat too much beef.
there you go. That was just me being a Texan.
No.
Damn, hello Rose.
Okay.
I'm a hella see in the comments. Oh, you're just jealous because you're just fat like us. You can't say nothing. Well, you know what? That's why I'm talking shit. Because I'm fat too. Alright, we'll upload this on your YouTube channel. Say.
Ahí está.
Ooh, so
Orégano y basil.
So that was unprofessional, but she had just like done it without my approval. I was actually gonna do another sprinkle of ingredients.
A ver, no puedes contar el pollo, del caldo de pollo, échale.
Okay, so look, this is how you're supposed to do it. Do you know why we do it like this? I don't know why. But hold on. Oh no. Put it in the hand because you want to do it like this. You ever seen Harry Potter? Diagon Alley. Diagon Alley.
Okay, sal.
And sal? Yeah, that's a lot of salt for poquita.
No. Digo poquita.
That's a lot of salt for poquita. Hold on. I gotta wash my hands. Alright.
Ya casi está. Mientras de que esto está,
Ya
tú
casi.
mézclale.
Okay.
Vamos a prepararlo.
Oh, look what we got.
Nachos. Pintura para mi pelo.
And
Pero eso no.
for later.
Nachos. Lo podemos echar frijoles también.
Frijolitos. Buenos. Hijo, su crema mexicana. Cremita.
Crema
Mexicana.
Vamos a guardar.
Caquique.
Tenemos ¿qué es esto? Honey.
Miel.
Para
tos, COVID.
Ya no vamos a necesitar esto. Se lo echamos.
No, hace tanto.
Lo echamos.
No.
A ver, déjame ver.
No. That's
¿No
gonna
lo vamos a tirar?
be vegetable pendejadas.
No lo vamos a tirar. Miren qué rico está quedando. Pruébalo, hijo, a ver cómo sabe.
A ver.
A ver si le falta sal.
I guess I'm going to taste it. Let me see cachingaos.
Está muy bueno.
Let me see cachingaos.
¿Ya está buena la carne?
I don't know.
Bueno.
You told me to try it. I'm the chef.
¿Lo muevo?
Okay.
Di que podemos usar esta de la de... Any beans. Any beans. Any beans.
So much sweat.
Any kind of beans.
Alright.
Okay, los frijoles.
Alright.
Los frijoles.
Alright.
¿Ya le pusiste play?
Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, it's
¿Ya le
go
pusiste
back.
play? Okay. Any beans, ¿sí? Any... Di mi poquito para
You have
los
like no
frijoles.
clean intro, mom. You're just like talking.
Por favor, que no hable.
Alright, so we're back. Sorry about the inconvenience. My phone died. But right now, she's putting in some frijoles because I know some people like to eat their nachos with beans.
Me.
Well, because we're beans too. Some beaners.
I'm just gonna reheat them.
But right now we're just doing the old classic refried beans.
Huevones beans.
Huevones beans. Because we don't got 3 hours out of the day to cook some. So, what we got going on here?
Taste this.
What we got going on around here is the beef y'all saw me mixing up earlier is actually complete. And it tastes really amazing.
No te vas a quemar. Te vas a quemar. No te vas a quemar, amigo.
Look how great that came
Más para
out.
atrás, más para atrás.
Oh my
Ay, mira.
lord. Oh my god.
Los-
You're gonna see that the brownness and the cookedness is at the right color. It's not too black, it means we didn't burn it, but it's just enough brown and rich where we cooked it just enough where it's tender but cooked along with the onions. You can see the little dark colored onions where it came out just right because we put everything at the right time. And now, as you can see, we're testing it.
Hazte más para atrás.
Oh!
caliente. Déjate hago como Alba. Ven, ven. Ven. Ven, ven.
Alright.
Ya.
Alright.
Caliente. Honduras.
Alright. But really delicious. So I give it about solid, just by the way we threw it in, and by the budget of the meal, this is a solid 9. And I give it a 9 because it's fast, it's convenient, and it's easy.
So
you
it's
have to give it a
$20. With $20, you can make it.
According to my mom in Texas economy, it's $20. Go to HEB and you find all your ingredients to make nachos for 2 nights. This could probably feed 2 people.
No, como 6.
I mean, if you're a fat ass living with your girlfriend or spouse, this is about 2 nights. A whole family like us, it'll feed us about a night, maybe with some leftovers. But the point is, we all eat for $20 versus 60, and you ruined it now.
No.
And we're done.
Prepáralos.
Cut.
No, prepáralos.
Well, because the charger is gonna move. All right, how we're gonna. So we got some cheese. My mom shredded up some cheese. We got some salsa, and we got a plate. What we're gonna do now? We're gonna get some tostitos. You don't want to go cheap on this. This is the good stuff.
With like.
You don't want to go the dollar ones. Dollar ones, then you get the dollar ones, then you're just looking at taco trucks and corner stores. This right here, we're looking at baseball games and like restaurants, you know. So right now we're gonna use cheese grain plate, and we're just gonna grab some nachos with the hand.
Sí, con la mano.
We like the lime ones.
Agarraste muchos, hijo. Más poquito.
I'm hungry. Into lime. These are the bomb ones. These are the ones. All right.
Esos son muchos. Sácale poquitos, échalos en la.
No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Te voy a pegar.
I'm just kidding.
Échale poquitos en la bolsa, regrésalos a la bolsa.
I don't know that. All right, fine. Wow, COVID?
Es mucho, ponle otro plato.
All right, cut. Wow. All right.
Otro plato.
Take 2. All right, guys, ladies and gentlemen. This is how we're gonna prepare some homemade nachos.
Ponlos uno
So
por
you
uno.
want to get a plate? I prefer to get a bowl. So for the sake
Uno
of
por
this video,
ahí mero ya.
and for my mother, we're just gonna do a plate.
Ah, ya.
Okay.
Ya con eso.
So right now we got a nice plate of nachos, just plain right here. We got the prepared ground beef over here with nice vegetables and the glutes. So right now we're gonna take a spoon. We want to take a fat spoon, and we just want to start serving ourselves above it. Take it out. Check it out. Look at that.
Qué rico.
How professional. Now notice how we didn't put the cheese on it first. I messed up, but
No.
check it out. You can do it however you want. You can do it however you want. You know, nachos are made in America,
You don't want
as
beans,
far as
don't
I
get
know.
beans.
And in America, everybody likes it the way they like it. So I got that right there. I'll get some cheddar. We'll sprinkle some on the top, however much you like. Nice and melted.
Sour cream.
Ooh, the sour cream. But wait, some people like it with the frijoles.
Frijoles.
So I'm gonna just do just a little stab right over here somewhere.
Ándele.
However I want to do it. Maybe a little bit more dab over here. Take a nice fat dab right there. And then now we got some crema. Some cremita. Muy buena cremita. Since we're family and this is still clean, I'm gonna just grab one nice fat spoon of cremita and just sprinkle it right there.
Qué rico.
In the middle. Now you can add your avocado, you can make pico de gallo or anything. You can experiment, but I like
Salsa.
salsa.
Cuchara. No, tírale.
Otra cuchara.
Échale.
Yeah, just a nice little splat.
Échale.
Not too much of a splat, but
Yeah.
just enough of a splat, you know. And there you have it, guys. We have some.
A ver, un bite, una mordida de.
Okay, so here we go for the test. We got some of that in there. Got some cream, and we got some frijole. Now, how's it gonna taste? We got some beef in it. Yeah, we got. Okay.
Ya se me hizo agua la boca. Qué rico. Un 10. Un 10.
I'll give it
Okay.
a 10.
Ok. Hasta luego.
Hasta luego, amigos. Please like and subscribe. My mother, Rocio, she was the head. You know, I was just the face, but she's the head of all of what just happened.
Ok.
Right here, $20. Just get your ingredients. You can get your cheese, your ground beef, onions, tomatoes.
Cabbage.
Get your proper seasonings if you like. We prefer at least one seasoning of the gallo. This is the gallo, del pollo, de pollo. Get one of
Caldo de
these.
pollo.
If it's not gonna be anything else, at least this.
Or sal.
You know, or however you like preparing your ground beef, and just make some nachos.
Ok.
We got the hint of beans over here. Boom, we're all set.
Ok, bye.
Thank you.